Hey everyone, welcome back to Maker. So I've been getting tons of messages from you guys asking how can I make my own label stickers at home using the Canon printer. Well, you asked for it and here it is. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the whole process from creating your labels in Canva to printing them with your Canon printer. And trust me, it's super easy. You don't need to be a design expert or anything like that. All you need to is your printer and computer and you're good to go. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so before we jump into the fun stuff, let's talk about what you're gonna need for this. First up, obviously, you'll need a Canon printer. Next, grab yourself an A4 size sheet with adhesive label sticker sheet. You can find these online or at most office supply stores. Super easy. And lastly, you'll need a computer with Canva on it, so you can design your labels. Canva is free and really user friendly, so don't worry about that. Oh, and just a quick reminder, this whole tutorial is based on using A4 size label sheets, okay? So if you've got a different size, some of these steps might be a little different for you. But if you're using A4, you're golden. Alright, now that we've got all sorted, let's actually get into making these stickers. First, you'll need to open your browser on your computer and log into Canva. Once Canva is open, click on Create icon or plus icon on the left panel and select the custom size option. Then, you'll need to enter the custom size for A4 paper. Before that, you'll need to set the units to mm. Once the units are set to mm, type 210 mm in the width section and 297 mm in the height section and click on the Create New Design button. Here is your A4 page sheet template ready. Now, we are ready to add a title to our file. To do this, click on File and add your file name. Now that everything is set up, let's add a page margin that matches the exact size of our A4 label sticker paper. To add a margin, first click on the Elements tab on the left panel. Then search for a square box in the search bar and press the Enter key. After that, you have to select the box from the search results. Once the box is added to the page, select the Position tool to resize it. As you select the Position tool, a dialog box will appear on the left side where you have to set the width to 4.9 mm. Now, you'll notice that the width of your square shape has changed. While keeping the shape selected, click on the left option under the Align to Page section. Next, use Ctrl+C keys to copy and Ctrl+V to paste the same shape. Then, select the right option under the Align to Page section. Again, go to the Elements option, select the shape you previously chose. Then click on the position and choose the top icon to place it at the top of the page. This time, set the height to 5.25. Once done, copy and paste the same shape as you did before. Then click on the bottom option. You're doing great work. Let's add the margin lines. Please watch the video carefully so you don't miss any steps. Now, take your cursor to the top ruler, then click and hold the left mouse button and drag down a margin line onto your page until it aligns with the bottom edge of that shape. Just like that, repeat the same steps for the lower margin. Watch how I'm gonna do it here. For the left and right margins, use the ruler to set them. Just follow along. Now, we need to add one more margin line in the middle of the page. For this, take a square shape, set its width to 1.7 mm, and then center it. Once that's done, drag the margin line from the left panel and place it along the edges of the shape as shown in the video. Alright, we've set the margins. Now, let's move on making a label sticker. If you already have one, make sure it's positioned correctly on your page. I'll show a bit later in the video, so keep watching. To create a label sticker, you have to create a new page. To do this, go to upper right corner, select the option menu icon and then click on the create option. To create a label sticker, you have to create a new page. To do this, go to upper right corner, select the option menu icon and then click on the create option. Next, choose the custom size. Set the unit to mm, enter 99.1 mm for the width and 57.3 mm for the height to match your sticker paper, and then click on the create new design option. Click on the file in the upper right corner and give your page a title. After that, you can create your label sticker however you like. To make mine, I'll go to Elements, type barcode in the search bar and pick one from the results. After that, position the barcode in the middle of the page and add your brand name. Once done, you'll need to click on the share button and click on download icon. Then press download. If you're asked where to save your file, just choose desktop folder and click save. Now, click on the open menu and select your previous design, the one where you added the margins to the A4 size page. Go to the uploads icon on the left panel, then click on uploads file and select stickers you just created from the folders. Now, select the design and while holding down the left mouse button, drag it so the sticker's upper left corner aligns with the margin's upper left corner. Then, place your cursor on the left right corner and click on it, and drag it to align with the left middle margin. Great job! You've successfully placed your first sticker. Now, all that's left is to copy and paste it. I'll show you how. Simply copy the first sticker and place it on the right side. Watch the video closely to see how I do it. Make sure the edges of each sticker don't overlap, but should touch each other's edges without any gaps. Once you've added all the stickers to your page, you can delete the shapes you used for the margin lines because we don't need them anymore. After that, click on the share button and download it just you did with the sticker before. Save it to the folder. Now, your sticker is ready to print. Make sure your printer is set up and ready. To print the sticker, you'll need to go to the folder where you've downloaded your stickers. Then, double-click on it to open it. Once the image opens up in the new window, click on the print icon in the top left corner. Then, click on the printer drop-down menu and select your Canon printer. Please make sure your Canon printer is powered on. After adding your Canon printer, open the orientation drop-down menu and select portrait. Next, you need to open the paper size drop-down menu and click on the A4 size sheet. Finally, press your printer button and wait for your printer to print your label stickers. Congratulations! You have successfully printed your first label stickers. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.